Guys, this was me. I am Johnson, who ran this marathon. And see, all others are making use of the. Actually, look at him. In which I look like a marathon runner. See, look at his thighs. Look at his chest. Look at his Dude, see. He wants to give that natural look. That's why he's washing his face, and he want to prove that it's wet. Guys, be aware. He's not a marathon runner. He can't even climb stairs. he claims to be a marathon runner. What the fuck? See, he can't even walk properly.
ಫೋಟೋ ತೆಗಿಲೆ ಸಾಕಿಗೆ